Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going through some of the items that I purchased for my meal prep. We're starting off with the vegetables. I bought cucumbers, also grapes, kiwi, fresh tomatoes, and also olives. So these would be perfect for salads, fruit salads, and also tossed salads. I also got a deal on this macaroni. So I got 4 of these packs for just $19 TT. So I have a variety. I have the elbows, the twists. Now here's some more vegetables. I have cauliflower. I have bok choy. I also have some cheddar cheese. These red onions are perfect for salads. I also use them when I'm cooking. Now we can also add corn to rice. You can have them as a side or add them to salads. I prefer the chunk tuna. So these chunk tuna are great for when you're making wraps or adding them to pasta. Now let's look at the snacks basket. I have some banana chips, also some cheese and spinach. These are some small biscuits. We also have ripe plantain chips, fruit snacks, the Minute Maid mango drink. I also have mango pulp in the refrigerator. I have Planters, honey, roasted peanuts, Biscram, Fruit Blast, which is dried fruit like mango and kiwi, and this chips which came in a pack of 3 for $12.95 TT, I believe. Although I have quite a few lunch bowls, I decided to invest in some more because the covers of those that I've had have been, they're not as good anymore. So I got these with the clip-on sides. I got glass ones so I can microwave my food and keep my food warm. I also got this one, which is mainly for my breakfast. So it even has utensils attached. I really like the way that this container is designed. There's even a top part where you could put your dip, and it's a salad bowl. So this is just an overview of all the items that I got, and then I realized I needed to get some more things. So I stepped out to the supermarket. These are some of the breakfast items that you see here. We have the pita bread, and we also have the pancake mix, which makes it easier for me. I also have some drumsticks because I'm going to be making some drumsticks, either baking them or putting them in the air fryer. So I'm going to season these drumsticks. I got them on special. They're only $14.99 TT, and you get about 5 drumsticks in each packet, which is a good deal, I think. I'll just season them really well. I also got these buns, which could be added for breakfast or even as part of lunch or on a snack. So these are not too sweet. They are lemon buns. Now off we go to the supermarket. So I'm going to pick up a few more items because I realized that, I saw a deal at Extra Food Supermarket here, and I decided, you know what, I should go and get those items so I can add them to my breakfast and even to my lunch. So I arrived very early. I wanted to go earlier, but I was doing a few tasks before. So here is what I came for mainly, and this is they call them chicken tenders, so they're really like chicken nuggets. And the great thing about these is that it's real chicken. So I got 4 packs. I also got some fruit. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, don't forget to look out for my meal prepping videos in which I show you all that I make during the week. Bye.